Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's workshop. Let's wait for others. And I'll be starting in a minute. Um, I see some new attendees. Right. Okay, I hope everybody is doing well. So this is a Zoom webinar. You can ask your questions in the chat. And if you pick host and panelist, it's going to be visible to me only, or you can hit everyone and everybody can see it. This is a Zoom webinar. You cannot participate in this call like a regular Zoom. So I'll be starting in a minute. Let's wait for others. So today's topic is very exciting. We're going to be talking about AI ranking formula, and I'll do my best, to give you valuable information about AI ranking for furniture stores. And it's not going to take long, and you can ask your questions during the webinar, but I'll be answering them at the end. And today it's going to be very interactive. I hope you like it. All right, so let's get started. Hello, everyone. I'm Ahmet, the founder of Furniture Marketing Pros and the author of Furniture Marketing book. So in today's section, we're going to be talking about AI ranking formula, and I'll share a link with you. I prepared a checklist and a workbook for you. Let me put that into chat first. Let me share my screen. I think everybody can hear me. Right, perfect. So let me put this workbook into chat. All right. So you can hit the link. It is in the chat. And all you need to do is just hit file and make a copy for you. So you can take a note and you can use it after this section and you can share it with your team. Let me a little bit zoom in. Okay, thank you. All right. So let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about SEO, GEO, AEO, and everything. And please ask your questions. So I'll be answering them for you. As you know, if you attended the other previous webinars, we already talked about our accelerated growth roadmap. And today we will be focusing on organic growth, not just SEO. It is going to be covering AI. So this is a great workbook and a checklist. I put together it for you guys, and you will get some valuable insights. And if you have any questions, any concerns, anything, you can always go to furnituremarketingpros.com and you can book a call with me. And also, we are offering a free hard copy of Furniture Marketing book. And you can just go to free resources and Furniture Marketing book, and you can put your information here. And so my team will call or email you or SMS to you, just to verify your business, your address, and your phone number. Then we're going to be shipping it to you, and we will also cover the shipping and handling and everything. You are not going to be sharing your credit card, not paying any single money. So, or you can just directly go to Furniture Marketing. You can just go to Amazon.com and search Furniture Marketing, and you can purchase it from there. It's just $20 if you don't want to share your information with us. Perfect. So commercials are over. So we, as you know, we always discuss about SEO for furniture stores, but now we call SEO, when we say SEO, we mean search everywhere optimization. And I'll come to that because SEO was different last year or 2 years ago, or 3 years ago. We were, implementing on-page, off-page, and also holistic SEO for our clients. But now with AI enhancements like AI tools, we saw some traffic and some add to cart driven purchases from AI chatbots. And also, for Furniture Marketing Pros, we got really good quality of leads from ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity AI, or Cloud, or Microsoft Pilot. And 6 months ago, my SEO team started a research about it, what was the source. And we discovered a path that we can implement for our clients as well. right after that, we start calling SEO, not search engine optimization, search everywhere optimization. And you're gonna hear that, AEO, GEO, and other AI related terms, and I'll be explaining you like what is AEO. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization, and it focuses on creating content that answers common customer questions directly, improving your visibility in platforms like Google, voice assistants, and AI generated responses. And also, what is GEO? GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. It is the emerging practice of optimizing your content to rank and get visibility in AI-powered search engines and chat-based tools like ChatGPT, Gemini's, Perplexity AI, Microsoft Copilot, um, SGE like Search Generative Experience, and other large language models, LLMs, um, that deliver answers directly. So what is SEO? It is search everywhere optimization. Now, let me do a demo for you. Like it was kind of like people were searching furniture store, Clifton, New Jersey, let's say. This is like part of local SEO, right? This is PPC part. This comes from local SEO. This is performance max, and this part was SEO, and we were focusing here and here when it comes to SEO. But now people do search on ChatGPT and some other AI tools, and also people search like. Let me show you one more example here. We were getting a lot of traffic from informative keywords, search terms, right? Like this one, how to take care of leather furniture. And now, like Google gives AI overview on top, and just because of that, clicks are going down. Like for most of the websites, not all, but maybe like 95% of the websites are getting less clicks this year. And I'll be showing you one more example here, like weather.com. They have like they used to have over a billion traffic, website visitors, but now I'll be showing it to you. This comes from AI information, right? And when we go to their um, monthly organic traffic, this was like at the end of 2023, and it is going down month over month, right? And now, like after ChatGPT, Gemini, and all of these AI engines, like they lost half of their traffic. So because people don't click anymore to their websites, they just get their answers from here. So this is same for most of the furniture stores. If you are focusing on some informative keywords that are not AI friendly, then you will be losing traffic. And like in this example, our goal is now have our websites in AI overview in our local or for global keywords. And in this one, like the furniture mall, it's like good job. They got their YouTube video in AI overview. And also like this is another one, and this comes from YouTube. And we have also this one. And if you see the link, as you can see, we are getting links from YouTube, HD Furniture, Bellona USA, Real Samples, Shock in Texas. So there is an opportunity here. I'll come to that because of course, you will be getting less clicks, but this shows that you are an authority uh, in furniture business. So let me go back to the report. So as I mentioned, we call it search everywhere optimization. And it is like the process of improving a website's visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo is to attract more organic traffic, not paid traffic. So let me do one more example. If you are not familiar with ChatGPT, like this is ChatGPT 5. So I'll be, I can speak, I can text, right? I can upload an image, and I can ask questions. And in this example, I'll say, I am looking for a furniture store. Um, for my new home in Woodland Park, New Jersey. I want to buy every furniture new from furniture stores in my, let's say, 30-mile radius. I need a support from an interior designer as well. I might need. So the furniture store should offer me design services as well. I'm just trying to make it, a little bit complex. For most of you guys, you don't need it, but I ask, and let me search it. So searching in the web, and interior designer or custom furniture services. So I'm in this area, right? And it offers me Michelangelo designs, decorating dreams. So like these are not so well-known companies, right? They are local companies. And it gives me comparison as well and additional ideas and next steps as well. So these are really good stores, but I am looking for high-end furniture sellers. So it's going to be luxury and high-end furniture showrooms. And now there's one in Woodland Park, three in Woodland Park, one in Paramus, in Princeton area. So like these are, well-known companies nationwide. Yep. And would you like help contacting any of these showrooms, checking their current availability, and let's say yes. So I'll show you something like right after this one. So it gives me more information about it. So this is very similar to YouTube display, right? Search results. Now, let's say I have a furniture store in Paramus, NJ as well, and I want to be in this result. What should I do to be referred by you, let's say, or referred by ChatGPT and Gemini? Now it's going to be a different query, right? And it gives me an idea, and as you may realize, like it is all about authority. And I'll come to that, and using like use GEO, answer friendly content, and I'll be, covering all of this. So this is very easy. You can do it in your local area, and you can check if you are referred by ChatGPT or Gemini. So let me go back to the report here. So how is AEO and GEO different from traditional SEO? So traditional SEO optimizes for Google's 10 blue links. Generative engine optimization, GEO, optimizes for AI-generated answers. And in traditional SEO, keywords, backlinks, and on-page SEO matter most, but in GEO or AI search results, authority, clarity, and context are most important. And in traditional SEO, search algorithms determine rankings, In GEO, AI language models generate responses in this example, right? So it generates custom examples. And the goal is to drive click-throughs to your website in traditional SEO, but in generative AI, it is the goal is to be referenced or cited in answers. And in traditional SEO, we write content for search bots. In AI, content is written for human-like AI assistants. And why does GEO matter? Search behavior is changing. People are asking questions. Instead of using keywords, they are getting answers, not just links. Like people like to talk to Siri, right? They talk to Alexa, even they talk to ChatGPT. And when they talk, like these AI models, they know who is talking to and what are the things they like or dislike and what they need. And they create custom answers for each user. And if your content isn't showing up in these AI generated answers, you are missing visibility and potential customers. So how do you optimize for GEO? First, answer real questions clearly, write like you are solving someone's problem, and structure with headings and bullet points. AI loves clear formatting. And use first-party data and expertise, show unique authority, not generic fluff. Be mentioned and cited online, build topical authority and get referenced by others, and feed content into tools, test with ChatGPT, perplexity, etc., and refine it. So let me do one more example for you guys. Like, let me hit new chat, and I am looking for a new sofa and love seat for my living room. Can you give me cost or discount furniture sellers in my area that I can visit on the weekend? So let's search it, searching the web, and captured my location, and it gave me two examples, right? Two results. So, and it compares others as well. So Harlem Furniture, Bob's Furniture, Corner Furniture, Affordable Furniture and Electronics. So, and it gives, their name, location, and why we need to visit them, and if they are open on the weekend. And we can plan our route, right? We can call them and we can plan it together. So let me give give me more local stores stay instead of instead of um, nationwide brands. So here I'm just trying to give you like how it works, and you can test it, for your own business as well. And as you can see here, I am asking, affordable furniture, right? Discount furniture. And the first result is like Astoria furniture here. And it's kind of different experience here. They have only 2 reviews, right? But they are number 1. So there is an opportunity here. If you update your website with AI-friendly content, definitely you will be getting, traffic to your website. Like here, this is their website, and obviously, like they are a local store, and they referred by Google, and they are not the closest one to my home, right? And but this is really good. So And we have a checklist here and step-by-step implementation checklist as well. And you can, make your own copy, just hit file and make a copy. So you can, check and complete those, and you can share it with your marketing team or digital marketing agency that you are working with. Like you can share this with them and they can implement it for you. If you need us, like every day we are working on these things, and if you want to work with us, you can go to furnituremarketingpros.com and you can schedule a call with me and we can prepare a report for you and we can check, review your current, website. We can check your review your Google Ads, Meta Ads, and we can give you a free report. It's not an obligatory meeting. So in this checklist, like we start with on-page SEO, it's still very, very important, and the thing is here, we need to have pages for each collection and mainstays. Like if you sell high-end furniture, there are some high income zip codes, right? High income cities. So you should have a landing page for each cities because it works really well with AI. And you need to optimize your titles, H1, text URLs, images, etc. And you should have unique content for all pages. And for Google My Business Profile, definitely you need to update it. Your name, your address, your phone number should match everywhere because AI will check your social proofs, your websites, your social media, and then if they are not matching, you are not going to be authority and you are going to be eliminated. And here, like, it's all about authority, like um, classic traditional SEO. But this time, like, you need to have answers AI friendly. And let's go to the step one, like identify high value questions. You can ask your clients, you can, think about it. We can give you some examples as well if you contact with us. And you need to write short answers for those questions and optimize your website content. Don't make it too long. Like AI really loves short, clear, and direct answers. And please have FAQ sections on your website and put all of these main questions to your FAQ page and provide detailed explanations after a brief answer for depth and authority. So, and implement structured data, schema markup, like this is very important. Like Google, um, we do it like with sitemap for Google, right? But now, like for AI tools, we need to have a very, very clear schema markup because like when their robots come to our website, everything needs to be very clear. And optimize your Google My Business profile, prioritize mobile optimization as well, leverage AI to generate helpful content. You can ask ChatGPT, what should I do? Like, can you review this page and tell me what I need to change to rank on or referred by AI engines? And you should always track your results and you need to do it, regularly because like if you just create a content and you keep it like that, it's going to be like once someone else put more information for AI, then they're gonna, referred by AI, and you will lose your rankings. So, and we put some examples here, and you can check those examples as well. We have some websites. Yeah. So, and these are like some details like phone number is very important, email, live chat box. These are really important. Believe me, like AI checks all of them. And you should have, this is not here, but we realize that if you referred by YouTube, um, Reddit, and Quora, like you cover 60, 70% of the internet. And especially Gemini and ChatGPT, they use those three. YouTube, your website always, like your website, YouTube, Reddit, and Quora. If you are not familiar with Reddit, like um, it is a platform that you can answer questions, you can have uh, conversations, like it's like a blog website. And also Quora, same, people ask their questions there, and you should be, authority in those websites. And YouTube is like always, it's a good source. So you can upload videos to YouTube, and you can put those videos into your website. You may think like, I'm a furniture store, so why should I put YouTube videos into my website? But to have those videos in your website is very helpful. Believe me, like you will be referred by ChatGPT if you implement these. And like, let me ask another questions, or let's go to the analytics, and I'll show you something. Like, if you are familiar with Google Analytics, you can go to your website, website on Google Analytics, and you can come to, let me do it live for you guys. So yes. So let's say this is your website, and this is one of our clients, and I use their um, Google Analytics account just for demo. So like this is an example, like they are getting traffic from organic search, right? It's like all organic. Paid search is like very, very less, right? So I want to see how many visitors that I'm getting from ChatGPT, let's say. And if I hit customize report and add filter and dimension, let's put source here, section source, and contains, and ChatGPT, and apply. So I'll show you something interesting. Like here, this client in last 28 days, they got 85 sections. And let's say I want to see add to cart and apply. So as you can see here, they got 16 add to carts in last 28 days just from ChatGPT. So this is a small shop in Chesapeake, New Jersey, Chesapeake, Virginia, and like they got 16 add to carts. Don't get me wrong, guys. Like still more than 90% of the searches in Google, and AI is like kind of 5%. And these is not like actual 5, because most of the AI searches, on ChatGPT, on Gemini, they are informative, not transactional, right? And it's actually like about 1%. But what we see, like if we start working now, if we refer by ChatGPT or other AI models, I believe in the future this percentage will go higher. That's why it's important. Like now, it is time to start investing AI and search everywhere optimization, because it's going to be more and more add to carts or purchases from AI. So here is the example. Like this client, you know, in last 28 days, they got 16 add to carts. No purchases, but still it's good. And I can show you other examples, but this is just a random example. Like, and people are getting from ChatGPT to this client. And how they do it, like they even, like in this example, they search furniture stores in their local area, and then they hit website. And let me do one more example. Let's say I am looking for outdoor furniture. It has to be quality and durable. Can you offer me some websites that I can check the products? All right, so this is another search. Searching the web, and we got 10 websites, and it gives me highlights and featured product, picks for durable and quality piece. Like it gives me some examples like West Elm, and it gives me some tips and final recommendations for you. I have 10K budget for my backyard project for furniture. Give me only one website link that I can check products. Right, I just asked for one, and Yardbird. Did I put, oh, okay, 100K. It's kind of like too much. Sorry, guys. 10K budget, 10,000. All right. Derek, like, sorry, I just saw your message. Like, all you need to do, just hit file and make a copy. Then it's going to be yours. All right. So still, it gives me yardbird.com, and this is the winner. So you can do your own search in AI. And like, as you can see, guys, like these are not the biggest brands. Like most of us, maybe we heard their name for the first time. So there is an opportunity here. Just, update your website and referred by AI. Alrighty, so let me stop sharing and let me answer some of the questions. All right, so the first question is like, I think everybody has an access to the webinar. Right. Yeah, you can ask your questions now, guys. So it's kind of monologue until now, but we're gonna be discussing, your questions. So the first question is like, I'm a small furniture store owner. Okay, so for small shops, like, still we have an opportunity. As you saw in the examples, like you don't need to be ranked number one in search engine optimization, like organic lore. You don't need to invest in paid ads on Google or Meta. Like you can still be referred by AI. And this is really new. Like we don't know the certain rules or paths, but for furniture marketing pros, as an example, like it started 6 months ago. We got some strategy calls, and when I asked how did you find us, and they said like ChatGPT, we asked ChatGPT, and it referred you. And we start working with some of them. And I realized that, they were really good quality leads, not like, meta leads or spam or others. Like it was really good. Like they show up on time and they were really interested. And, we were really good fit with those leads. And you can do it for your business as well. And we also did, like, let me show it to you as well. Like here, this is our monthly report for one of our clients. And we started adding these ChatGPT referrals. And as you can see here, like they got 44 or 57 sections in total. And this was from ChatGPT. And people, I don't see many sales, but I just started. So imagine like you can be a pioneer, for AI um, results, and and this could be a really good opportunity for small shops. And the other example, yeah. So the other one, right. Yeah. So, search engine everywhere. Thank you for the question. Search engine everywhere. It is like we call SEO, SEO, SEO. And when it comes to SEO, like we always think as a digital marketer, like I think like, hey, search engine optimization is for Google, and we get ranked on Google search results, on Google Maps, and we refer by Google only, right? Now it's different. That's why we call it search engine everywhere, because like we saw some other AI, generative AI models, or tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, we are getting some traffics. And once we realized it, we checked our client's website and we saw that they are getting some traffic as well. And after that, we start exploring the path, and we realize that once we answer most common questions very short, and if we become an authority, if we have a YouTube channel, if we post it on local newspapers or local business listings, if we are active on social media, and if we have some really good social proofs, then um, we are getting traffic from AI tools, and we try to increase that, and we were really successful. You can test it on your laptop. If you ask number one digital marketing agency for furniture stores, it's going to give you Furniture Marketing Pros. And I realized that, and I try to do it for my clients as well. And now we are not selling just search engine optimization, we sell search everywhere optimization. It covers all of the voice searches, like voice chats, all of the AI tools that refers furniture stores. So we expanded our service, and it's very new. It's going to be changing consistently. That's okay. Like it's very new, but still people are talking to AI, talking to Gemini, Siri, ChatGPT, Alexa, and they ask about their remodeling, about their home, about their outdoor furniture, about their interior design, about replacing their furniture, and they make their weekend plans, based on recommendations by AI. So, and we need to be there as well. It's not too much, like it's like 1% or something like that based on our experience. It's not going to be a game changer for you, but this is something, a future thing. If you invest now, then 6 months later, 1 year later, you will see some add to carts, then you will see some purchases from ChatGPT. All right. We didn't get so many questions. Thank you. Like this is going to be available on Furniture Marketing Pro's website. And if you have an issue with downloading the workbook, you can go to furnituremarketingpros.com, free resources, and it's going to be there. And again, like you can schedule a call with me. If you go to furnituremarketingpros.com, you can just call our number, or you can just go to furnituremarketingpros.com, book my call, or you can call 973-832-0923, or just hit book my call. It's connected to my calendar, and you can pick a date and time works for you. And go to free resources, and you can download AI checklist here. You can go to marketing checklist as well. You can download our complete the Ultimate Furniture Marketing Pros online marketing checklist as well. These are all free resources, guys. And also, like, please go get your free hard copy of Furniture Marketing book. Thank you for attending today's section. And hope to see you in the next month's workshop. Thanks.